Hello and welcome to series How to Build Test Automation Framework using Page Object Model in Selenium and Java. In today's video, I'm going to talk about in detail why we should not use implicit wait and explicit wait together. So let's begin. In my previous video, we have already talked about different types of waits: implicit wait, explicit wait, and fluent wait. Do check those videos too. Now here I'm slightly modifying the explicit wait usage to demonstrate you why we should not use implicit wait and explicit together. So I'm just using the lambda function way and then return driver1 dot find element by, here we are using a class name for heading, and also let me add one sysout to show just for debugging. ing searching, and let's add a semicolon and let's debug it. So our execution, it stops at the debug point, and let me evaluate this. Let's open the console also. So here this heading class name, which is the locator for this welcome to the internet heading, is present already. So this will check and this part of code get executed, and that's why on the console you see searching, and we found this element and it returned this web element. However, let's take example when the element itself is not present. So I'm giving some invalid class name, and let's check now what will happen as we have given the timeout of 10 seconds, and the polling frequency is 1000 millisecond, which is 1 second. So now what will happen, this will poll the web page for 10 times, because this is 1 second and max timeout is 10. So let's check. This part code get executed 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, and you saw it get executed 10 times, and after that this element is not present and it throws the timeout exception. So which is very valid. Now if we have added the implicit wait, so in my implicit wait video you can check how we have added the implicit wait. Implicit wait is a global wait, so if you apply at in your setup method, so it will be constant throughout the framework. And here in the implicit wait, what we have given the time of wait time of 5 seconds. Okay, so we have given a wait time of 5 seconds. So now I'm introducing this implicit wait, and explicit wait is already here. And then let's check whether how many times this poll will work. Ideally it should work for 10 times, but let's check. Wait is added. Okay, so let's click on the evaluate and check. So it won, and now it is waiting for 5 seconds, and then it get executed, and then you will get the result. So you see it is only executed twice, because our maximum timeout for explicit wait is 10 seconds and we have given an implicit wait of 5 seconds. So at every action it is waiting for 5 seconds, and that is why we should not use implicit wait and explicit wait together. So that's all what I wanted to demonstrate in this video. Thank you.